Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can see the view options in Macbook and how you can control the fonting size and all the things as well. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to right click on the desktop. So as you can see, it has a desktop. For right clicking on the desktop, there are two methods. Firstly, you have to hold the control key and then you have to tap on the trackpad and the right click options will be open like this. And the second method is you have to press on the trackpad with your two fingers and the right click options will be open again like this. So now what we need to do, simply we have to click on the show view option. So let's click on this. And after clicking on the show view option, as you can see, all the showing options are provided here, like the stake by, sort by, how would you like to see all the things, name, kind, and here also stake by, all the things are provided here. You just need to change them, like the icon sizing. If you want to increase the icon sizing, you have to increase this and the icon sizing will be automatically increased. Grid spacing, if you want to increase the grid spacing or decrease the grid spacing, you can also do that from here. Text size is also provided here. If you want to increase or decrease, you can do that. Show icons preview, all the things are provided here. You can adjust them as per your need. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can see the view options in Macbook and how you can control them. So see you guys in the next video.